Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tara Schaefer, and I'm going to be speaking with you about writing from the disciplines of social science from the perspective of the law field for my major, which is paralegal technologies. There are many types of writing in this field, from case briefs, legal memorandums, to letters to a client, or even notes to a supervising attorney. In my research for this assignment, I learned more about legal writing in the disciplines than I may have in my actual legal writing classes. Legal writing is possibly the most important piece in a paralegal's career. Paralegals may not need the education that an attorney does, but they need to be able to write like an attorney. A supervising attorney always expects professional writing. They rely on their paralegals' writing to use in their daily procedures. In some instances, a paralegal will draft the actual paperwork to submit to the courts. The attorney needs to be confident in the paralegal's writing ability and not feel the need to rewrite or revise their work because of unacceptable errors. Even something as simple as an email to an attorney can attest for a paralegal's writing ability. If an email is full of grammatical errors or unprofessionalism, it can cause an attorney to question the paralegal's ability to draft any other type of document. One of the many things I learned from interviewing one of my instructors for this assignment is that a paralegal must adapt their style of writing according to the attorney they are working for. As Belinda Burling, a longtime paralegal, has herself stated, "We do not go to court to argue, so most of our writing is for our attorney. We base it on what they want." Almost all the writing required by a paralegal is formal. We need to be well written and grammatically correct, which I personally need to improve upon. Fortunately, a great deal of legal writing follows templates. Courts and many law firms have standardized forms to follow for certain proceedings. These forms can consist of something as simple as an intake form, as seen here, where you just fill in the blanks of the information for your client. Or, for an example, a complaint in which most jurisdictions will reject it if it's not completed in their specific format. Again, you just fill out the blank, fill in the blanks case specific to your client. There are even templates for interrogatories, which are the questions that you need to ask your client or witnesses, maybe the plaintiff or the defendant, and they list them, the majority of the questions needed right here, so you just fill them all out. Some questions just need to be personalized to case specific. And the more common one that can be used by anyone, even without a legal background, is a living will directive as seen here. Sometimes you can even get these forms from your family doctor's office to fill out yourself. While these templates make a paralegal's job much easier, they do not take away from how important professionalism is in the writing. In many situations, a paralegal will need to research a case or statute, cite it, and then give a brief summary of it to the attorney to review it. This legal analysis is another large portion of the many legal writings a paralegal does and needs to write appropriately. Summarizing a case or statute that may have been written hundreds of years ago is not a simple task. Understanding the research and being able to properly relay this in the writing is an analysis, and they are very important. An attorney will use this analysis to adequately prove or disprove a client's case. Another important aspect of legal writing is being precise and to the point. An attorney will not take the time to read a long, drawn-out paper. A paralegal needs to explain a case, the law, or even their own point correctly and quickly, and move on to the next issue at hand. There's no need for any type of fluff words or anything just added to make it longer. They don't need that. This is one of the good things for me as writing is, this has always been a problem with my writing, is the fluff words. When I may talk a lot, I'm straight to the point in my writing. So to close, I have learned that legal writing in this discipline of social science, or even in the humanities, is very important for a paralegal. A large percentage of the work consists of writing in some form, and no matter what form, it is very important to always be professional and accurate. With this, I'm a little concerned about my issues with my simple grammar mistakes while writing my essays for this course. There are several problem areas I have personally that I need to resolve to be a better writer and more prepared to begin my career as a paralegal or even in the legal field in general. I hope you have all enjoyed my presentation and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.